Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we dive into the details of everyday products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're looking at the Cuisinart CTG-00-DB Dough Blender, a simple yet essential tool for anyone who loves baking. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual baker, this tool promises to help you combine your ingredients quickly and easily. But how well does it perform in real-world use? Let's find out. The Cuisinart Dough Blender is designed to make the task of mixing doughs and batters more efficient. It features a black, soft grip handle, which is built to give you a comfortable and secure hold, even when you're mixing thick dough. The stainless steel blades are crafted to cut through both wet and dry ingredients, which means this tool isn't just for dough. It can be used for things like crumbling butter into flour for pie crusts, or cutting through heavy batters. The Dough Blender is also dishwasher safe, which is always a plus when it comes to easy cleanup. All in all, it seems like a pretty straightforward tool, but does it live up to its promises in terms of functionality? In my testing, the Cuisinart Dough Blender was easy to grip and maneuver, thanks to its soft grip handle. I tried using it for a variety of baking tasks, from mixing pie dough to making biscuit batter, and it performed admirably in both cases. The stainless steel blades cut through the ingredients effectively, giving me the consistency I was hoping for. The real surprise, though, was how much faster it was compared to traditional hand mixing. Normally, I'd expect to get flour everywhere when mixing by hand, but the blades on this tool kept things tidy and effective. I also liked that I could easily scrape off any dough that got stuck on the blades, which made the process cleaner. However, there are a couple of things worth noting. First, while it does excel in dough mixing, it might not work as efficiently for heavier tasks like kneading bread dough. The tool is perfect for smaller baking projects, but when you need a more powerful hand, it might fall short. I also noticed that the handle, while comfortable for light use, could feel a little small if you have larger hands or if you're mixing a big batch of dough. Still, these are minor points, and overall, the Dough Blender gets the job done effectively. When it comes to value for money, the Cuisinart Dough Blender is priced competitively for a kitchen tool of this quality. It's definitely not the cheapest option on the market, but it strikes a solid balance between quality and price. Other similar dough blenders, like those from OXO or KitchenAid, are in the same price range, but they tend to have bulkier designs. Cuisinart's version is sleek and lightweight, which could be a selling point for those who prefer simplicity. It's not the most advanced tool out there, but for someone looking for a basic and functional dough blender, it offers good value. In comparison to other dough blenders on the market, the Cuisinart CTG-00-DB stands out for its comfortable handle and its easy-to-clean design. Many competitors in the same category use metal handles, which can get slippery when wet or greasy, but Cuisinart's soft grip handle is a real plus. In terms of price, there are cheaper alternatives available, but they often lack the same level of comfort and durability that Cuisinart provides. When stacked up against higher-end models, though, you might find that you're paying for extra features that aren't necessarily necessary for most home bakers. The build quality of the Cuisinart Dough Blender is solid for a tool in this price range. The stainless steel blades are durable and resistant to rust, while the handle, though made of plastic, feels sturdy enough for everyday use. It's clear that the product is designed for longevity, but, as with any kitchen tool, its lifespan will ultimately depend on how well you take care of it. The dishwasher safe feature is a huge advantage when it comes to cleaning, and the fact that it requires just warm water and mild detergent to keep it looking new is a nice touch. In terms of customer support, I didn't have to reach out to Cuisinart directly during my testing, as the product performed just as advertised. However, Cuisinart is known for offering solid customer service in case any issues arise, and the brand has a good reputation for standing behind its products. Now let's talk about whether the Cuisinart CTG-00-DB Dough Blender is the right tool for you. If you're someone who bakes regularly, especially if you're into making pastries or biscuits, this product could be a great addition to your kitchen. It offers solid performance and ease of use at a reasonable price, especially considering the comfort of the handle and the dishwasher-safe design. On the other hand, if you bake in larger batches or tackle heavier doughs frequently, you might want to look into a more heavy-duty option. So what's the final verdict? The Cuisinart Dough Blender lives up to its promise as a simple, efficient, and affordable tool for mixing doughs and batters. Its sleek design, comfortable grip, and ease of use make it a solid choice for most home bakers, though it might not be the best for handling larger, more dense batches. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean dough blender that does the job without unnecessary bells and whistles, this could be just what you need. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us here at Reviewsinsidetv. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've tried the Cuisinart Dough Blender, or if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. You can find more information in the comments box as well. Until next time, happy baking, and remember, keep it fresh, keep it real, here at Reviewsinsidetv.